Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix checkpoint required problem on Instagram. So first of all, open your Play Store and you have to update your Instagram from here. And the first method to fix this problem, open your phone settings and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, and from here you'll need to clear your cache, so tap on clear cache. And that was the first method to fix this problem. And the second method is open your Instagram and open your Insta profile and tap on edit profile and tap on personal information settings. And from here you have to verify your login email address and phone number, so make sure to verify your email and phone number, and hope your problem will fix now. And the last method is open your phone settings again and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, and you'll need to tap here uninstall. And you have to uninstall your Instagram, and after uninstalling open Play Store and you have to reinstall Instagram app to your device, and after that your problem will fix. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.